motorcycle. We got all kinds of traffic out on us, but today we got the fucking Vision Spinner number 2, everybody, with the motherfucking Kangertech Genie tank, the deluxe version, the same one that you seen in my fucking Subbox Nano video. We're getting ready to vape on this, and I got only 3 breathing holes at 4.8 volts. 4.8 volts. So y'all get that motherfucker up in your vape. Here we go. When's the last time y'all seen a pin hit like that? Hold on, I'll hit it one more time for y'all. Oh yeah, just worked out. Still in the motherfucking beast cloud. Talk to you later, YouTubers.